Greetings, fellow traders. Bubble here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Thursday, March the 18th, 2021. I hope everybody is having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are in the market here today. So SPX down 17 points after a little bit of a Fed hangover yesterday from St. Patrick's Day, but still hanging in there, still green on the monthly chart. Weekly chart is still green. Daily chart, bit of an inside day right here. One of the things that we're a little bit concerned about is the potential of this being an ending diagonal finish to a larger kind of subwave 3 up. So this would be 5 of 3. If that is the case, then we might see a subwave 4 pullback, which could be an A, B, C type move down here at about the 38.87 area, and then we'll see if we can work our way up from there. But again, right now it's just kind of too choppy to tell. Let's take a look at the SPY and see what kind of volume we got coming in here already this morning. So obviously it's pretty early here today, so it's not a lot here. I have to run to an appointment, so I won't be able to, so it's a little bit early here, but all good. So declining volume right here. So far, so we'll see where we go. Again, Powell's talking again today at 11:55. It's a pre-recorded message, so we'll see where it goes from there, and then we'll see. But so far, we basically overnight pulled back to the scene of the breakout from yesterday, so not surprised to see it come back to test those levels. Right now, we're trying to pushing back up right here, testing the geometric level, but really choppy price action so far on the S&P futures. Let's take a look at some of our other favorite ones to look at. Let's take a look at the Qs here. Oh, let's take a look at the MES here first. Sorry, the MES again, same stuff. Geometric line coming back and retesting. We could actually draw a fresh one here from the lows. Just kind of keep an eye on this to see if we do pull back here today to see how it holds. So we got another geometric line down here as well. So, and there's one up here. So we're basically just working on some magical triangles here today. And it looks like a magical barracuda set up right now too. So something to keep an eye on there as well. So let's see with the Qs. So Qs again, just kind of grinding around here this morning too. IWM should be a little bit perky. Yeah, so we're over the 15 orb high here. Right, airlines looking pretty good this morning. Upgrade on Carnival Cruise, and the banks are strong today. So take a look at the XLF. Really holding up nicely here. We'll take a look at JP Morgan here in a little bit. So good stuff there. Let's take a look at Apple. So apples and bananas is kind of chopping yesterday's lows. We did point this out as a short opportunity at the open in the group, and we also point out AMD. AMD still looking kind of interesting right here, struggling with the ADMA. So it's just kind of chopping around here, but had a really nice drop at the open, which we pointed out this morning too. And we also kept on talking about JP Morgan this morning. Just a relative strength today in the banks, which is really odd. Quick retrace there to the 15 orb high and then a bounce. A little bit tricky to trade right here. Feels just kind of unstable up here, but they are grinding their way up. So that's what we've got going on there on the banks today. A couple requests out there. I always appreciate these. So we got Zoom. Again, still chopping around here. Let's go to the daily charts on these and just see what we're looking at overall. We're still below the ADMA here on Zoom. It may want to come back and retest that old gap level. PLTR has been another big one. Still below the ADMA on this one. Tilray. This one just a choppy day so far. We got a little bit of a pop in the pot stocks at the open, and now they're just kind of chopping around like everything else. DKNG has some relative strength here this morning, kind of working its way up. So let's see if we continue to grind further up here. SPCE inside day right at the a flat ADMA. Talk about something that might be gearing up, getting ready to move here pretty soon. GMBL. So this one too, nice double inside day breakout on this one. So a very nice move on that. Let's see if that can hold up here today. And the GLD, good dip by here today. It was looking pretty strong yesterday with kind of a bullish engulfing candle, but a gap down today made it blah. So let's see if we can kind of continue to work its way up here and get above the ADMA. So good stuff there. All right, guys, I appreciate the request, and I hope everybody has an awesome trading day today. We'll see you guys at the market wrap, and until then, stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.